Hi everyone. So today we'll learn how to change the font size of chat messages in Github Copilot chat window. As you can see, I got a VS Code editor here, and on the left hand side, I got Github Copilot chat window. Now to change the font size, I need to go to this cogwheel icon, click on it. Here you can see I'm getting this option chat settings. Let's click on it. Now here, simply type font size. After typing it out, I'm getting two options. One, to change the font size in pixels in chat code blocks. And second one is for chat messages. Let's try for chat messages. Let's make it 20. So you can see the font size of chat message has increased. In a similar way, if you want to do it for the code blocks that appear in a chat, you need to modify this. Instead of 14, you can make it 20. So depending upon your requirement, you can adjust the font size. So I hope you understood how to change font size of your chat messages in Github Copilot. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.